Are you ready to explore Europe like a seasoned traveler? Understanding local fashion not only enhances your experience but helps you blend in, making your journey more enjoyable. European cities have a distinct sense of style that often differs from American fashion norms. For instance, bright white sneakers are seen as overly casual. Instead, opt for dark, low-profile shoes or leather sneakers for a more polished look. While shorts may be a staple in the summer for Americans, Europeans generally prefer long pants or skirts in urban settings. Additionally, accessories like baseball caps can mark you as a tourist. Choose a stylish sun hat instead. Furthermore, avoid clothing with large logos or slogans. Subtlety is key in Europe. Finally, steer clear of fanny packs or oversized backpacks as they can attract unwanted attention from thieves. A crossbody bag or smaller day pack is a safer and more fashionable choice. Pack wisely and embrace local styles to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Europe. Your adventure awaits.